here is every single buttcoin stash in the new construction map. That one, yeah. But let's get into this. So the first one is over here. This one right here. It's a yeah. The next one is up here. Walk up the stairs. Come around this thing. There's buttcoin stash right there. Then jump down here. There's the buttcoin stash right there. And then this one, I was actually expecting from the developers. It's like over here. So, it's like over here. Here, wait. It's over. You need to like squeeze yourself in there, and the button's somewhere around there. But yeah, it's in the vent. And then the last one. So that was the fourth one. The fifth one is over here. Come up. Oh crap. Come up the ladder. Oh my god! Up the thingy. The zip line. There we go. Now in here, this pillar right here has the buttcoin stash. If you just like kind of squeeze your finger in there. And I think that's everything. That's all the buttcoin stashes in new construction site update. Yeah.